Hello friends, मैं लखनऊ मीना असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज जामिला झालावाड़। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन खुशवंत सिंह के ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान नावल के बारे में। ठीक है, देखिए, ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान इज ए हिस्टोरिकल नॉवल बाय राइटर खुशवंत सिंह पब्लिश्ड इन 1956. It recounts the partition of India in August 1947 through the perspective of Manu Majra, a fictional border village. देखिए, दोबारा देखिए। ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान इज ए हिस्टोरिकल नॉवल बाय राइटर खुशवंत सिंह पब्लिश्ड इन 1956. It recounts the partition of India in August 1947 through the perspective of मानो माजरा ए फिक्शन बॉर्डर विलेज। ठीक है, a play based on this novel and having the same title, Train to Pakistan. However, the first chapter, Dacoity, was staged at Lema Khan, an open cultural space in Hyderabad, India. The play was staged by a theatre group called AMI. The play was adapted and directed by Krishna Shukla. The play was staged 3 times. The latest began on 26 August 214. ठीक है, देखिए, सोशल स्ट्रक्चर एंड कल्चर अंडरस्टैंडिंग अमंग द पीपल. In a relatively short book, the reader gets to know a lot of characters in detail. Examination of the varied groups of people not only encourage cultural and social understanding of that time and place, but also shows that the blame could not be placed on any one group. All were responsible. Muslims said the Hindus had planned and started the killing. According to the Hindus, the Muslims were to blame. The fact is, both sides killed. Both shot and stabbed and speared and clubbed. Both tortured, both raped. Mano Majra, the fictional village on the border of Pakistan and India, in which the story takes place in predominantly Muslim and Sikh. Singh shows how they lived in a bubble surrounded by mobs of Muslims who had Sikhs and mobs of Sikhs who had Muslims. While in the village they had always lived together peacefully, villagers were in the dark about happenings of larger scope than the village outskirts, gaining much of their information through rumor and word of mouth. ठीक है, और देखिए नेक्स्ट। देखिए, अपॉन लर्निंग दैट द गवर्नमेंट वाज प्लानिंग टू ट्रांसपोर्ट मुस्लिम्स फ्रॉम मनो माजरा टू पाकिस्तान द नेक्स्ट डे फॉर देयर सेफ्टी, वन मुस्लिम सेड, व्हाट हैव वी टू डू विद पाकिस्तान? वी वर बोर्न हियर, so were our ancestors. We have lived amongst Sikhs as brothers. 126. After the Muslims leave to a refuge camp from where they will eventually go to Pakistan, a group of religious agitators come to Manu Majra and instills in the local Sikhs a hatred for Muslims and convinces a local gang to attempt mass murder as the Muslims leave on their train to Pakistan. In groups of people are examined on a closer level than their religious attachment, a more detailed social structure emerges. Government officials were corrupt, manipulated of villagers, and could arrest anyone they choose for any reason, more often than not for their own benefit. They did just enough in terms of dealing with the dispute so that nobody could say that they did not do anything. The law enforcement was completely at the whim of the local government, meaning that in practice there was no law When one such educated man was speaking to a villager about freedom, the villager explained, freedom is for the educated people who fought for it. We were slaves for the English, now we will be slaves of the educated Indians or the Pakistans. 48. To better understand the situation surrounding the partition of India, Singh provides information about both religions involved. The book sheds light on the various religious practices of both Sikhs and Muslims in rural India. Singh describes daily life for individuals from both practices. For example, Singh describes the practice of prayer for Muslims. The mullah at the mosque knows that it is time for morning prayer. He has a quick pass, stands facing west towards Mecca, and with the fingers in his ears cries in long sonorous notes, Allahu Akbar. Singh points out practices of Sikhs as well. The priest at the Sikhs temple lies in bed till the mullah has called. ठीक है, अब देखिए, then he too gets up, draws a bucket of water from the well in the temple courtyard. अब देखिए, moral message and character development. The story is an extract from the novel published in 1956. It talks about how partition affected a small village where people from all religions and sects once lived in harmony. ठीक है, more than giving the details of partition, Singh has recounted what impact it had on people. In addition to giving an understanding of human actions and pointing out that everyone was responsible. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. Singh makes a background moral commentary which bubbles up through main characters in their thoughts and their actions. Hukum Chand is the district magistrate and one of the main characters in the story. It becomes apparent that he is a man in moral conflict who has probably used his power over the years with much corruption. He is often described with a dirty physical appearance as if he is overwhelmed with unclean actions and sins, and is just as often trying to wash himself of them. Similar to Pontius Pilate after Christ was condemned, Hukumchand's ethical issues are shown in one of repeated encounters he was with two geckos, which likely represent Muslim and Hindu in conflict on the verge of fighting each other. When they start fighting, they fall right. The guilt he gets from not helping when he has more than enough power to do literally jumps into them. ठीक है, अब देखिए, Hukumchand felt as if he had touched the lizards and they had made his hands dirty. He rubbed his hands on the hem of his shirt. It was not the sort of dirt which could be wiped off or washed clean. Alcoholism is another tool Hukumchand uses in attempt to clean his conscience. He faced the guilt of his actions by day and relieved of them by night. When his alcohol is able to justify tryst with a teenage prostitute the same age as his deceased daughter. ठीक है, in all his complex he is able to acknowledge that what he is doing is bad, but is still unable to promote good. The two other main characters that are given a lot of attention are Iqbal Singh and Jajat Singh, and are likely meant to be contrasted. Iqbal is described as a slightly elegant, well educated, and atheist social worker from Britain who thinks politically and cynically, judged in a towering, muscular, and uneducated villager who places action over thought and is known for frequent arrests and gang problems. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट arrests. As if to warm them up for comparison, they were both arrested for the same murder they did not commit and were placed in adjacent cells. Upon their release, they learned that a gang was planning to attack the train taking Manu Mazra's Muslim population to Pakistan and kill the passengers. Judged Muslim lover Nuran is also supposed to be in that train. They each had the potential to save the train, though it was recognized that this many may cost their lives. Judge nevertheless acts on instinct and sacrifices his life to save the train. Iqbal spends pages wondering to himself whether he should do something, exposing a moral paradox on the way. It is important to note that Iqbal or the learned people are less of action, while the people of judged breed are less of talking. The bullet is neutral, it hits the good and the bad, the important and the insignificant without distinction. If there were people to see the act of self immolation, the sacrifice might be worthwhile, a moral lesson might be conveyed. The point of sacrifice is the purpose. For the purpose, it is not enough that a thing is intrinsically good. It must be known to be good. It is not enough. अब देखिए पॉलिटिक्स. Koshan Singh does not describe the politics of the partisan in much detail. This is mostly because his purpose is to bring out the individual human element and provide a social understanding to aspects of historical events which tend to be either ignored or not covered effectively in text. In the partition, the major change was political, pattern splitting of India into Hindu India and Muslim Pakistan. The अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. The effect of the change, however, was significant and as Singh was shown, frighteningly social as religious groups rearranged and clashed violently. Singh makes it clear that may people played a part in this choice and everyone was equally worthy of blame. All by integrating the apex of the sheer moral confusion which arises from trying to make sense of an event as monumentous as the partition. ठीक है. अब आपका ये नॉवल थोड़ा संक्षेप में बता दिया, आपको इसे लर्न करना है.